Hello everyone. Uh, I welcome you all to Mega Man Automation YouTube channel. So in today's video lecture we are going to see some of the SCADA systeming based on water filling, again traffic, and again about a lift. Okay, the lift which we are using in our building, so that we are going to see according to our SCADA system. So in my computer I have InTouch Wonderware. So this is an open source type of SCADA system which we are going to use. So we are simply going to use as a demo mode. We do not have a licensed copy, but we can use it for a demo mode which is available for 1.5 hour. Okay, so here I have made some of the programs. So in today's video I am just going to show you the simulation, and in another video lecture I will show you one by one all of the script and how to make their animation. Okay, so today we will start from bottle filling system. So just click on it and make an enter. So when you will make it enter, so it will ask you the license file. So it found that license file present at this location. Again it requires to run this project, this product. Yes, we have to run it, so make it okay. Again here you can see license not available. Okay, so if you have to exit it, abort. If you have to try again, then retry to try again, and ignore for a demo. So we are going to use it as a demo, so we will ignore it. And here you can see it, it is initializing DDL object. So it will open it. Again you can see here bottle filling. So whatever the project we have made, so that will pop up over here, and just click on OK. So as we will click on OK, so whatever the project we have made, so that will show on your computer screen, right? So here you can see I have to run two switches, so for on and off. Again we have one valve, again we have a jar, we have motors. So when we will make it simulate, so it will move from this initial position to the final position, and it will wait here up till it gets filled. Okay, so let's see the simulation. And again we have also taken here a bottle count. So the number of the bottles will be get filled and will be get dispatched. So after dispatching, it will show count value, right? And again we have to and stop button. So this is simply this is used for resetting the system. So let's go to the run time. So we will run it. So we have clicked on run time, and again it will ask the same procedure to follow. So again we are using it as a demo mode, so just ignore it. Okay, so here you can see demo mode will time out in 120 minutes, right? So it gives you totally 2 hours. So you can use it for 2 hours, right? So here you can see if I will press a start button, so what is going to happen, let's see. So as I press start button, so you can see the motor is started. Again our bottle is moving from initial position to this middle position. It get filled, and again it moving, and it again as it gets to the final position, so it is filled. And again we have here a count value, right? And again suppose some of the error condition is being happened. Suppose if I have been started and suddenly something gets wrong, so I can make it again reset. Okay, so here you can see the count value will not increase up till it gets to the final position, right? And again if I will click it start, so again it will move here and it will get filled 100%. And again you can see here the valve is been getted green, so it's showing an indication that valve is started. Again our bottle is filled. Okay, so the number of the times you will start the system, so number of the times you will get here the count value, right? So this is a simple bottle filling SCADA system. So for this project, the whole procedure we are going to see in the next video. In this video we are just going to simply see an simulation of all the projects, the three projects. in upcoming videos we are also going to start an online course on SCADA system, okay, learning system, learning videos. So please stay tuned with Megaman Automation. If you have been not subscribed to our channel, so please subscribe to our channel for latest updates. So here we have to cut it, okay, so we have cut it. So again we will go to the InTouch. So now we are going to see a system which is based on lift, okay. So here you can see lift, okay, so this program is not correct one, so I have saved that project with the name of new InTouch application. So just make it enter, and again if you will make enter, it will ask the same question, so make it okay, ignore, and again you can see here it is initializing DDL objects. So let it get started. So whatever what the steps I have told you previously, so just make the same thing. And again here you can see so our lift is at first floor, this is second floor, and this is third floor, okay. So in lift we will have 3 buttons, okay, 3 switches. So according to that we can move the lift from one position to the another position, the floor at which we need the lift to be moved, okay. So then just make it run, go to runtime, and we will see the simulation that how this SCADA system will work, okay. Okay, right. So suppose I am present at suppose, okay, I am at first floor, I have to go on second floor, so I will just press on this. So you can see that this moved to the first floor, and again from here I have to move to third floor. So if I will press S3, it will move me to the third floor, and again if I will click on S2, so it will make the lift downside, okay. So you can see it, the lift is being shifted from upper position to the middle position, and again if I will click first S1, so it will get at the first floor, right. So this is how the lift, okay, lift works. So this is a simple SCADA system for controlling the lift, right. So from here also, so we have to just simply we can connect this SCADA system with the PLC, and from our laptop or from our computer we can move that lift through a computer or with from our laptop, right. So this is a simple SCADA system for lift system, right. So I hope so you have got this project clearly. So I will cut it, and again now we are going to see traffic, okay, traffic system with the help of SCADA. So just go to InTouch, I will make it enter, okay, it's getting started. So here you can see I have made an traffic project, so I will make it enter. It will again ask the same question, just ignore, that's it. So it is initializing, so same steps are following, but only the thing is changed that we have made some different projects, right. So on the screen you can see here we are having some of the vehicles on the road, right, and again we are having a 4 sides. This is T1 means this first side, this T2 means this second, this is third one, T3, terminal 3, terminal 4. So these are some of the ways and how our traffic light signals are going to be simulated. So let's go to the runtime, okay. So when we will go to runtime, it will ask the same procedure, so that we have to follow it, right, okay. So here you can see it, click here to start simulation. So when I will click here on the red button, so our simulation will get started, right. So then let's press it. So here you can see it, it indicating okay, as the vehicles are moved, so it gets red, and again this terminal 2, these vehicles are moving on. Okay, as it moves it will show, here you can see a green light indication, and again if it will move it will show an red, and here you can see green indication, and now it will show the red indication. Okay, so in this way our SCADA system can be worked for an traffic signaling system. Okay, so again if I will press it again, so it will totally get reset. Okay, so this is a simple traffic controlling system with the help of SCADA. So we can again change the timer if we will connect it to with the PLC. We can again change the timer of this signal. So according to the traffic we can also change the delay time. Okay, so this is a simple traffic signaling system, right? So I hope so you are being cleared or aware with the three of the projects. So in the next video we will we will see the script as well as how to make an animation for our project. Okay, so that whole video or whole series will be going to be started from next week. So please stay tuned, and if you have been not subscribed to the Megaman Automation YouTube channel, so please subscribe it, and again please like the video, and don't forget to share it with your colleagues or with your friend, right? If it is informative, so please thumbs up, and meet you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.